Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install the Chime app. If you don't have a Chime account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar checking account opening bonus offers. To start, open the App Store by tapping on it. On the search bar, type in and search for Chime. So this is how the Chime app icon looks like. To proceed, tap on Get. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. Once the app is open, tap on Log In. Now, log in with your email and password. To verify your identity, a code will be sent to your phone number. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then tap on Verify. For security purposes, you need to create a mobile unlock passcode. Enter the 4-digit passcode you wish to use. That's how you download and install the Chime app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.